Level 2, A. Today, we're going to learn about a concept, adding a one-digit number and a two-digit number. First, I have a question for you. What is a place value? A place value is the value given to the place or position of a digit in a number. For example, 71. 1 is in the ones place, while 7 is in the tens place. The value of 1 is 1. The value of 7 is 70. Now imagine invisible lines that separate the digits. Let's have 53. 3 is in the ones place, while 5 is in the tens place. The value of 3 is 3, and the value of 5 is 50. Let's have 14. What is the value of 4? It's still 4. What is the value of 1? It's 10. Now let's learn about the concept, adding a one-digit number and a two-digit number. Let's have some examples. 4 plus 33 is equal to 4 is a one-digit number. 33 is a two-digit number. First, add the numbers in the ones place. 4 and 3 are in the ones place. Let's add 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Only 3 is in the tens place, so write 3 in the tens place. The answer is 37. 12 plus 6 is equal to 12 is a two-digit number. 6 is a one-digit number. First, add the numbers in the ones place. 2 and 6 are in the ones place. Let's add 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Only number 1 is in the tens place, so write 1 in the tens place. The answer is 18. How about the next example? 5 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 4 are one-digit numbers. Remember, our concept is adding a one-digit number and a two-digit number. Is this example correct? Very good! 1 added should be a two-digit number. So this example does not belong to our concept. It's time for you to do your math task. Good luck!